Hello, Danny.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes,
Oh, great. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
And what did you do today?
I went to school.
You went to school. Okay.
Yes.
Anything special?
Uh, no.
Nothing special?
Yes. Nothing special.
Okay, so what did you have for dinner?
Uh, rice
Rice,
and vegetable.
vegetables.
Yes.
Okay,
And
yeah.
pork.
And pork.
Yes.
Okay, who cooked food in your house? Is it mommy?
Yes.
Grandma? Oh, it's
Uh,
mommy. Okay,
yeah.
yeah. All right. So let's start. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. So tonight we will be on number two, part two, two-sided argument structure, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here the title is about summarizes the content of the writing, and then topic is outlines the general topic, and then focus. It's about the detail and the conclusion. So here, please read what is a two-sided argument.
Uh,
Please read.
where? Uh, in a two-sided argument,
Yes, great. Okay.
the focus section of the text generate provides more detail about the topic, but often doesn't. Uh,
Okay.
I don't know how to
Reveal.
reveal
Yes.
the writer's point of view. The detailed section of the text presents argument for one side and the other side of the issue. Here is a paragraph that provides an overview of the advantages and disadvantages, and two further paragraphs. The first of these include all of the advantages. The second includes all of the disadvantages. This is a very common way to organizing a short two-sided argument text. The final section, oh, yes, the final section of the two-sided argument text is a conclusion in which the writer often indicates his or her own points of view. Yes, 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 yes.
Here is write advantages in three sentences.
Well, oh, yes, Okay.
Experience. You have been to cram school, right?
Yes.
So you can give me your own experiences. Let's go. Next example.
Um,
So you can also give me your own ideas, right? Okay. So your answers on this or advantages is more on math.
yes.
Okay. I want you to give me one more example, advantage, but not because of math.
Okay.
Maybe about your ability, about your skill. What
Okay.
what did you learn from that? Okay? So you can use different idea. So it's not about math, but your skills, yourself. Okay? Okay, one example, Danny.
Okay.
Have you thought? Because you mentioned here that going to cram school can help me solve more math problems. So, how did you improve? Did you improve? Did you improve yourself?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what did you improve going to cram school? Can you now solve fast? Can you do it quickly than before? Okay, let's have more of disadvantages first. Let's just go
Okay.
back to number 4. Based on your own experience, what's not good about going to cram school?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, number 1, better to say you will go home late after school. Please read.
You will go home late after school.
Alright, and then going to cram school is forced to learn. Okay, so better to say you will be forced to learn instead of doing it by yourself. Okay. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
So please read the sentence.
Okay. You will be forced to learn instead of doing it by yourself.
Alright, now summary. A number of advantages and disadvantages. So, which would you, or do you think is about cram school? Advantage or disadvantage? What is it going to cram school? Is it an advantage or disadvantage?
Advantage.
So it means if you say advantage, you like to go to cram school. You like it there, right? Am I right?
Yes.
So your answer is yes. It's good to go to cram school. Is it?
Hello.
Hello?
Your voice gets smaller.
Okay, so you said it's more on advantage, which means that it's good to go to cram school.
Yes.
So, what can you recommend? So, can you give me a recommendation? So, there is an example here. Some children, please read.
Some children are likely to benefit from attending a cram school, where other children are not. So, parents need to think carefully.
So, what is your recommendation since you experienced going to cram school? So, if I would like to go to cram school, what can you recommend me? Now, please put your answer.
Okay.
Or maybe, let's say, if you have a brother or maybe a friend who would like to try cram school, what can you tell him? Please put your answer.
Yeah.
I would tell him, you can start your answer.
Okay.
Okay, it will only a waste of time. All right. It will only a waste of time. Okay, so if you have your son in the future, Danny, if your
Okay.
son doesn't want to, it's a no. You mean? And then if your son likes to, then it's a yes. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so when your parents told you to that you will be learning in a cram school, what was your first thought?
Uh,
Did you want or didn't you?
uh, I am willing to go, but I know it is tired.
Sorry, but
But I know it is tired.
it is tired.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Uh,
Okay. Alright. But I know it is tired. Like this?
sorry, I didn't hear.
But I know it is tired. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so it should be, but I know it will be tiring.
Okay.
Okay, or although. So instead of using but, you can say although. Although I know it will be tiring. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, now next part. So part 4 is writing practice according to the structure. So when you say structure, this is what we follow. The structure is title, and then topic, and then focus, and then detail. Alright? And then
Okay.
conclusion. Alright, so you have your answer here? Or, no, that's the sample. Okay. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of sending children to cram school? So this will be your own answer again. Alright, please put your answer.
Uh,
Did you check this before? No.
no.
Okay, because you did not or you don't have any answers in advance. Okay. So please, next time, if ever you have questions, you can ask me on Skype because it's a waste of time, right?
Yes.
If you will just answer now. Okay, but anyway,
So I need to
oh,
write two-side argument.
sorry, again.
So I need to write two-sided argument.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So you can make your answer in one. Uh-oh. Alright. Is it affordable, Danny? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Danny?
Yes, hello.
Okay, what happened?
Okay. I don't know the Wi-Fi.
Okay, alright. So, I was just asking, is it affordable?
Yes.
You can put there affordable. Okay, so it's not affordable because it's expensive.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not affordable. So when you say affordable, it means you can afford. You have money to pay.
Yes.
So it means this is not affordable.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, so you can just try to put more answers later after our class. So let's try to answer all, okay?
Okay.
Alright, next. Please read the sample first.
Private schools generally employ qualified teachers and provide tuition
Tuition, okay?
in school subjects and also often in additional subjects such as economics that are not offered by some schools. In many countries in the world, parents send their children to grammar school after regular school.
Okay. Regular school. So you can add more answers later and then I'll just check, or we will just check it next class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, alright. Now how about the focus? Provides more detail about the topic to reveal the type of text that is being produced. So sample. Please read first, Danny.
There are both advantages and disadvantages in sending children to primary schools. For some children, attending primary school can be helpful. For other children, attending primary school can be painful and heavy experience. I will consider 3 possible advantages and 3 possible disadvantages of sending children to primary school.
Okay. So your answer? So this answer is kind of in between, right? So this time you're giving an idea on how are you going to be a student. So you will be talking about advantage and disadvantage. Which means what's good and not good for children. So you can say, like me, you can give your own experience, Danny.
Okay.
Okay, that's a good word, effect. Okay, so the effect that everyone goes to cram school may not be. Please read.
They are both relevant. Let's read this.
No, your answer. So the
Oh,
effect that everyone
the effect
goes.
that everyone goes to cram school may not be the same. Some students will earn a lot if they are willing to go, and it will be wasteful if others don't.
Okay, so let's try to make your sentence better. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the effect of or the effect on students. Okay, the effect on students going to cram school. All right, may not be the same as others. Okay,
Okay.
because some. Okay, because sorry. Because some students will learn a lot if they are, so instead of saying willing to go,
Okay.
all right, if they are willing to learn and improve, okay, if they are willing to learn and improve, but for others it might be a waste of time and money. Okay. Hello,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, so did you see the sentence?
Yes.
Okay, and please learn on how you make sentences. All right, so just a little bit changes, but this is clear and formal writing.
Okay.
Okay, in detailed. Okay, so let's read the example. There are.
Yep. Oh, the detail.
Yes.
Where is the example?
No. I mean advantage, example, and disadvantage.
Oh,
Alright,
okay.
so present evidence both for against the topic often begins with an overview.
Okay.
So this is to sum up, right?
Yes.
To sum up the disadvantage or advantage and then disadvantage. And then you can do conclusion, okay?
Okay.
So same thing. What is the main thought, or somehow in your own opinion, if it is it good or bad? Is it good or bad? Okay, and disadvantage.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just do it more after the class, and then we will check that on tomorrow, next class. Okay. Okay. How about disadvantage? So just 1 to 2 sentences. Okay, how about the conclusion? So what's your final say about going to cram school for you? Is it good or not good? Is it good for your future? Is it good for your ability? Or is it maybe not good for some? Right, so I like this sentence. Going to cram school can make your academic progress.
Okay.
Okay, so Danny, since our time is up, and I noticed that you are or you used the same sentence.
Okay.
So please, this will be your homework. Don't forget to answer more of the detail of advantage and then disadvantage and then conclusion, so you can prepare your answers. So like here, going to cram school can make your academic performance progress. So I like that answer because you used another sentence which is about your academic progress. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, because you said here again, and you will go home late after going to cram school. So the same sentence like you said. So I want you to use more sentences. So now you have time to prepare, and then we will check next time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so don't forget, Danny, I'll see you next time. Have a
Okay.
great night, and then we will just put a better sentence to say. Okay?
Okay.
We will check your answers. All right, have a great day. Oh, have a great night. Talk to you next time, Danny. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay, if you have questions, please send on Skype. Don't be shy. All right?
Okay.
Okay, good night.
Good night.